Hello, today I will give you an introduction of B250 BTC motherboard. This is a box. I open SATA data cable and the motherboard. The motherboard has a Intel B250 chipset, the same as many popular mining boards such as Asrock H110 Pro BTC, the same chipset. And it supports socket 1151, CPU 6 and 7 generation, the same as a Asrock motherboard. And it supports DDR4 memory, CPU power slot, and PCIe power slot. And the most important thing is that it's supporting total 12 video card PCIe slot. This is a SATA port. And this side, VGA port, HDMI port, USB port, network. By default, the VGA port is disabled in BIOS to save energy, so it's better to using the HDMI. Of course, you can into the BIOS, or you can also open the VGA port connection. The motherboard is with very good quality, very solid construction, as you can see. And this is a backside metal panel. See, very good quality. Hello, here I give you an introduction about how to set up the B250 BTC motherboard. First of all, you need to install the CPU and put some silicon grease on top of it. And then you can choose a different kind of CPU cooler, the standard one or the tower one. For the standard one, you just need to put on top of it. For the tower one, you need to first put the ring on top of the motherboard and put the needles to fix the ring. And then you can put the CPU cooler on top of it. After you put the CPU cooler on top of the CPU, you need to put the CPU cooler power cable to here, and then put the memory in the memory slot, the 24-pin motherboard power cable, the SATA data cable, connect to the SSD hard drive, and connect to SSD hard drive power cable to the SSD. And you also need to put the network, put the keyboard, HDMI monitoring, and don't forget the CPU 4-pin power cable to here. After those kind of things are set up, you can press the power on button. You see? Now you can see the BIOS is already started up, and it starts from the. After that, you can apply an account from the HiveOS and input your Reg ID password and put a video card on the PCI eraser and the PCI eraser to here, and then you can start mining.